I would like to welcome you in this new chapter where we're going to start and learn about STL algorithms. Algorithms are the last piece of the puzzle we have to put in place to really understand how powerful the STL is. We have already seen containers, we have already seen iterators, and algorithms are going to be a set of functions that work on containers using iterators to do all kinds of crazy things. We will learn about two sets of algorithms. One set is going to be legacy algorithms, and these are going to be algorithms that work on iterator pairs. So we're going to be using a pair of iterators to specify the beginning and the end where our algorithm is going to be working. Now, working with these iterator pairs is going to become cumbersome, especially if you do this a lot of times. That's why the designers of C++ came up with range algorithms in which you will be working directly on the container without the need to explicitly specify the beginning and end iterator. Here I am at CPP reference and I am at the algorithm library entry. They are going to tell you all they can about the algorithm library in C++, but one thing you should know is that these algorithms are going to be doing all kinds of crazy things. For example, we might be searching, sorting, counting, manipulating, or doing all kinds of crazy things. And these algorithms will be working on some kind of container or a range in a given container. That's what we are trying to say here. The range where we work is going to be specified by a bunch of iterators that we specify explicitly. For example, here we have a beginning iterator called first. We have an end iterator called last. And the last iterator is going to be a pointer past the last element in the range. So the last iterator isn't something you can dereference and use the data that it is pointed to. If you try to do that, you will get a compiler error. I think we had a chance to see this in a few previous chapters. Now, C++20 has introduced constrained algorithms, and these are algorithms that work on ranges, and ranges is another big feature of C++20. We will have a chance to learn about in the next chapter, but for now, we're going to explore one set of algorithms that work on iterator pairs. If we go down, we're going to find a list of them. For example, we have all of, we have for each, we have algorithms to find stuff if we want to do that. You can really browse through this list. You're going to see that it is a huge list, and all these things are available to you for use in your C++ programs. Okay, so now that you have an idea about these algorithms and what they do, we're going to head over to the next lecture and learn about our very first STL algorithm, and that's going to be this guy right here, all of, and we're going to see how we can use it. Go ahead and finish up here and meet me there.